everyone. Do you want to learn how to turn an old tray or an old item that you may have around the house into something beautiful like this? Then stick with me because I'm going to teach you how you can upcycle an old item you might have gotten rid of or maybe tried to yard sale off for very little money and keep it as a treasured item for years to come and make it look brand new. So stay with me and I'm going to show you the same method you could use on just about any item around the house. Let's get into this project. Okay, for today's project I'm taking this ugly old tray and I'm going to upcycle it into this glam look to match these other pieces that I created before. The other videos are below on how to create these if you're interested in upcycling and creating your own. Okay, so the first step is I've cleaned it off and dried it, and now I'm going to take this Krylon spray paint. I'm going to spray both the top and the bottom of it. Okay, so I spray painted that silver and I'm going to let that dry. Okay, so now that I have this all painted with the spray paint, I went ahead and I cut out some of this mirror paper that you can get from Amazon, the link's below, and I cut it out to fit inside of here. And I'm not going to peel the blue off yet because that's protective of the mirror look, so I'm going to just peel the back off to stick it to the tray. Okay, so I'm taking this squeeze glue. I got this kind from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just taking and I'm following the pattern that's already on here, and I'm highlighting it with glitter like this and just kind of go around each petal of the flower to make it pop. Okay, so now that I've highlighted the flowers with gold glitter, I'm going back and I'm adding this top row of jewels. I got these from the Dollar Tree. They come in strips like this, and I'm cutting them down to singular strips like this. They're self-adhesive, but I'm going to add extra glue at the end when I'm done just to secure it a little better. Okay, so even though I had this old tray and I'm glamming it up, you may have something around the house that you could do the same thing to, that instead of getting rid of it, you can just kind of make it a whole different look by blinging it up with things from the Dollar Tree or from Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Amazon, and just make it completely different and new and fresh looking. Okay, so I just put a little piece of the silver there to see. What do you guys think? Comment below. Do you like it with the silver on there or just the gold? I truly can't decide, so your input would be appreciated. Thanks. Okay, so I think I've decided I do like the contrast between the silver and the gold. It breaks it up a little bit. So what I'm doing is I'm doing the same thing on the outside here. I'm going to put a layer at the top and a layer around the bottom here. Okay, so I decided to go with the gold on the bottom here and see what that does. So now I'm going to trim out the bottom where the mirror meets up with the sides, and that's going to help secure the mirror paper a little better and just make it pop and highlight it better. And if you guys are fellow crafters and you're working on a project, I'd love to know what you're working on. If you could comment below and let me know, and also even if you share a picture, or maybe you have your own YouTube channel that I could check out and just see what you like to do. And if you have any ideas for future projects, you could share that below too if you want to see me try to make something out of upcycle that you might be interested in. Feedback is always appreciated, and so are viewers and subscribers. So to all those who have subscribed and have hung with me so far in this video and through my channel, I really appreciate your support. Okay, so this is what it looks like, but we're not done because we're going to add what we've made before. And if you want to see these videos below, this is a Parmesan cheese container that I've transformed into a toothbrush holder, and I'm going to leave it in here. And then this is a Jaffa container that I've upcycled into a soap dish. And this is a soft soap dispenser that I've upcycled into a soap pumper. So however you want to put your things in the tray. So I forgot to mention that the bottom of that Jaffa container that I made a soap dish out of before is right here. The top was plastic, and that was what the soap dish was. This is the bottom, and this is glass. And you can create your own candle holder. And so that video is below also that you could check out. And if you missed my last video, it was this one here where it shows how to create an upcycled meat tray, plastic meat tray, into a Glam bathroom tray for your bathroom. So I hope you'll check those videos out. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.